if A is equal to small a1, small b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3 is a non-singular matrix, then prove that A inverse and A inverse is equal to adjoin A by det of A. Okay, if A is a non-singular matrix. So first of all, A is non-singular. That means that of A is not equal to 0. Then what are cofactors? Cofactors of A is equal to, let's say, capital A1, capital A2, capital A3, capital B1, capital B2, capital B3, capital C1, capital C2, capital C3. We are assuming this. Okay. Adjoin of A will be rows to columns, columns to rows. So A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Okay. Now we are going to multiply A and adjoin A. So this is your adjoin A and this is your A. Okay, we are multiplying 1 and 2. So we will get A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Okay, and adjoin is A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Now multiply. How do we multiply in matrix? Rows into columns, rows into column, row into column. So multiply row into column, capital A1, small a1, row into column, plus capital B1, small b1, plus capital C2, C1, small c1. Then row into column, small a1, capital A2, plus small capital B2, small b1, plus capital B3, C3, small C2, C1, row into column. A1 into A2, B1 into B2, C1 into C2. Then row into column, capital A3 into A1, capital B3 into B2, capital C3 into C1. Then again rows into columns. So A2 into A1, so A1, A2, B plus capital B1 into B2 plus C2 into C1. Okay. Then row into column. Practice multiplication. That is the most important concept. Okay. Rows into column. Row into column. A2 into A2, capital A2, small a2, capital B2, small b2, capital C2, small c2. Then row into column, that is A3, A2, so capital A3, small a2, B3, B2, capital B3, small b2 plus capital C3, small c2. Then row into column, So A1, A3, then row into column. Okay, so capital B1 small b3 plus capital C1 small c3. Then again row into column, capital A2 small a3 plus capital B2 small b3 plus capital C2 small c3. Then row into column, that is A3 A3 plus B3 B3 C3 C3. Now you have to multiply this. We'll get the answer as det A 0 0 0 det A 0 0 0 det A. Now we can take det as common, so det A into 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Are you all following? So A into adjoin A is equal to det A into I. Okay. So now A dot adjoin A is equal to det A into I. Okay. Now if we send this, if we divide the whole equation with det A, okay, or if we send this det to that side and A to that side, we will get it as adjoin A by det A is equal to A inverse, because 1 by 2 can be written as 2 power minus 1. Okay, so similarly 1 by A can be written as A inverse. So adjoin A by det A is equal to A inverse. Okay.